Candy is now more accessible and delicious to consume on a vegan or plant-based diet than ever before. Vegan's Choice includes vlogs on the most recent vegan cuisine, and recipes, goods, services, and the top 10 trending topics. We also want to provide valuable information, tips, methods, and hacks for the latest vegan delights. Even though 90% of the candy aisle is inappropriate for vegans, there are still plenty of alternatives for beach days, vacations, movie nights, and other occasions. If you follow a vegan diet, you're undoubtedly used to carefully reading ingredient labels and avoiding any delights that you suspect aren't entirely plant-based. Many vegans make a concerted effort to eat a nutrient-dense diet generally, but you want to indulge in something like desserts or sweets sometimes, and finding real vegan candy isn't always easy. Surprisingly, many sweets and pastries contain animal-derived components, including fruit candies with no apparent dairy or milk chocolate. So what can vegans consume to fulfill their sweet tooth? Here are 10 different candies to satisfy your sweet craving. Unreal dark chocolate covered peanut gems. Unreal candies were invented by two brothers who were on a quest to produce decadent treats using natural ingredients. This company has surged in popularity due to its highly transparent quality goods that don't sacrifice taste. It uses organic, fair trade, certified, non-GMO ingredients. The dark chocolate peanut gems are vegan and made in small batches to organically color the chocolate-covered peanuts. Unreal employs vegetable extracts from beets, turmeric, and carrots, as well as carnauba wax instead of beeswax. Customers may choose between a 5-ounce bag and a package of 12 individual snack packets. Individually portioned snack packets may be preferable for individuals who need help with portion management, or who want something sweet on the move. YumEarth Organic Sour Beans Snack Packs. YumEarth was founded by families for families, and provides a wide range of organic, allergy-friendly treats. These sour jelly beans are vegan, organic, non-GMO, and free of the top 8 allergens. In addition, this budget-friendly candy comes in a bulk container, with each packet costing a fraction of what vegan sweets cost typically. These candies are suitable for the classroom, soccer field, or party because they are free of peanuts, gluten, tree nuts, milk, eggs, fish, shellfish, and soy. In addition, these sour beans, unlike conventional jelly beans, do not contain high fructose corn syrup or artificial colors. Instead, carrot, apple, blackcurrant, pumpkin, and radish are used to color them. Endangered species Panther Fair Trade Dark Chocolate Bar. It was challenging to narrow down our top pick for the best vegan chocolate. So many fantastic vegan chocolate brands and products are available. But our favorite is the Endangered Species Panther Fair Trade Dark Chocolate Bar, 88% cocoa. This is a chocolate lover's dream. It has a deep chocolatey flavor and is made from genuine 88% cocoa dark chocolate. In addition to flavor, ConsumerLab.com, an independent third-party testing firm that evaluates goods for purity, potency, and quality, examined this bar. This bar lived up to its label promises, and it was determined to be cadmium-free, a heavy metal found in variable quantities in chocolate and cacao. This vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO bar is produced with fair trade chocolate sourced from fair trade farmers in West Africa. You can feel good about eating this bar, since it only contains 3 grams of sugar per serving, and Endangered Species donates 10% of its net earnings to animal conservation. All in all, it's a tasty treat. Wholesome Organic DelishFish. Nothing beats a delicious gummy candy. Sadly, many sticky sweets include gelatin sourced from pig or dairy sources. Organic DelishFish, on the other hand, is created with organic vegan ingredients. Wholesome has been used to sweeten this recipe. These gummy fishes are devoid of all artificial colors and flavors, as well as high fructose corn syrup. This vegan delicacy is also non-GMO project verified, gluten-free, and kosher, in addition to being vegan and devoid of potential hazardous artificial colors and flavors. Although this product is created with higher quality ingredients, it is crucial to note that a serving of 7 fish includes 30 grams of sugar. Therefore, it is advisable to only consume small portion sizes. Evolved Chocolate Coconut Butter Keto Cups. Because of the popularity of low-carb and ketogenic diets, there are several low sugars or zero sugar candies to select from these days. The type of sweetener used is crucial to consider when choosing an appropriate low sugar candy. Monk fruit, a sweetener that is 150 to 200 times sweeter than sugar, and provides sweetness to meals and beverages without adding calories, is used to sweeten evolved chocolate coconut butter Keto cups. These coconut-filled cups are suitable for individuals on low-sugar, diabetic, or ketogenic diets, since they include 10 grams of fat, 1 gram of net carbohydrates, and no added sugar. On the exterior of each cup is cacao, and on the interior is mildly sweetened coconut butter with MCT oil. Evolved includes Rainforest Alliance certified cocoa, and the cups are certified organic, paleo, and vegan. Justin's Dark Chocolate Peanut Butter Cups. Justin's Organic Dark Chocolate Peanut Butter Cups are produced with Rainforest Alliance certified chocolate and USDA organic peanut butter. The Rainforest Alliance certification logo indicates that the certified product or ingredient was manufactured under the 3 pillars of sustainability: social, economic, and environmental. 2 certified gluten-free, kosher, and of course vegan peanut butter cups are included in each box. Both cups are included in 1 serving, which provides 4 grams of plant-based protein and 16 grams of sugar. For your convenience, the cups are available in single-serving packets or bulk packs of 12 cups. YumEarth Organic Lollipops. YumEarth's organic lollipops are not only vegan, but also free of the top 8 allergens, artificial colors, and high fructose corn syrup. 1 lollipop has 4 grams of sugar, comparable to 1 teaspoon or 1 bag of sugar, and the serving size is 2 lollipops. Strawberry Smash, Goofy Grape, Very Cherry, Flawlessly Peach, Razzmatazz Berry, Mango Tango, Pomegranate Pucker, and Wet Face Watermelon are among the unique tastes available. As an added benefit, these lollipops include vitamin C, which can help maintain a healthy immune system. Lovely Organic Hard Candies. Lovely Organic Hard Candies are naturally flavored, tinted with fruit and vegetable juices, and do not contain high fructose corn syrup. Aside from chemical colors that may have been tested on animals, the white sugar used in some candies may make them inappropriate for a vegan diet. In addition, sugarcane juice is occasionally bleached with bone char during the manufacturing process. While the sugar does not include bone char, animal products during manufacturing are frequently shunned by vegans. Lovely Organic Hard Candies are sweetened with organic cane sugar and organic brown rice syrup, and are devoid of artificial colors. Nelly's Organics Chunky Almond Butter Bars. Nelly's Organics is a fantastic choice if you want a range of candy bar alternatives. Nelly's Organics presently has 8 vegan varieties available, including chunky almond butter, coconut, German chocolate, and caramel nougat. They're also devoid of soy, gluten, and palm oil, and created using organic ingredients. Furthermore, they do not contain any plant-based protein powders or other supplements, unlike other vegan bars on the market. The company's chunky almond bars are especially popular because of their dark chocolate covering and crunchy yet creamy almond butter core. They're also healthier alternatives with 6 grams of fiber, 8 grams of protein, and only 6 grams of sugar per bar. The chunky almond bar filling comprises only 6 ingredients: organic almond butter, organic raw almonds, organic raw coconut oil, organic raw blue agave, and pink Himalayan salt. Furthermore, the organic chocolate coating has only a few ingredients: organic chocolate liquor, organic cacao butter, organic cane sugar, and organic vanilla. Organic OCHO Chocolate Coconut Bars. OCHO is another confectionery company that creates high-quality sweets using organic ingredients and fair trade chocolate. While not all of their goods are vegan, OCHO's chocolate coconut bars are made without animal products. These creamy coconut bars are not only vegan, but also gluten-free, USDA certified organic, and non-GMO confirmed. OCHO's coconut-filled candy bars are covered in rich dark chocolate and created with dark chocolate, tapioca syrup, organic coconut flakes, cane sugar, sea salt, soy lecithin, and vanilla flavor. You won't even miss the animal byproducts with all of these vegan confectionery alternatives. So crack open a bag of sweet candy and enjoy. This has been your #1 source of all things plant-based diet, Vegan's Choice. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. We'll see you in the next one.